To our primetime news follow-up now, the police have detained the husband of Carolyn Davis Campbell, the Bishop Gibson High School teacher who was fatally shot at her home in July. Head of the Manchester Police Superintendent Wayne Cameron told our news center that he was picked up yesterday.
We have done a number of informal interviews with the husband of the deceased female, and his stories, quite a number of stories he has given us. We have had to be seeking clarity. We have had to do further statements, and we are a little unhappy with some of the inconsistencies we are seeing. In any event, we are looking at other evidential material as well. Yesterday, we took Mr. Campbell, Gregory Campbell, into custody, and that was after a post interview with him and going back through the statements he gave us.
Mrs. Davis Campbell was shot dead in bed at her home in Melrose Mews, Manchester on July 10. Her husband, who was also in the bedroom, was not harmed. The police suspect it was a contract killing.